Insurance can be confusing, and picking the right provider is critical. Today, we're taking a close look at Fairfax Financial Insurance and why you should consider all the details before signing up. Fairfax Financial is a well-known insurance holding company that offers various products, including auto, home, and specialty insurance through its subsidiaries. The surprising truth is that most people assume all Fairfax products are uniform in coverage and pricing, but that's not the case. Each subsidiary may have different policies, rates, and claim processes, so it's important to check specifics for your region and needs. One major advantage of Fairfax is financial stability. They have a strong balance sheet and excellent ratings from independent agencies, which means they are reliable when it comes to paying claims. This is a critical factor many overlook. Your insurer's financial health can make a huge difference if a major loss occurs. When it comes to products, Fairfax offers flexibility. For example, their home insurance policies often include optional coverages for natural disasters or personal property, while their auto policies can bundle roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, and accident forgiveness. In my experience, the application process is straightforward, and most quotes can be generated online quickly. However, there are a few caveats. Some customers report slower claims handling depending on the subsidiary, and premium pricing can vary significantly based on location and coverage choices. So, you might want to compare quotes from multiple Fairfax subsidiaries or even other insurers to ensure you're getting the best value. In conclusion, Fairfax Financial Insurance is a strong, reliable option for those who value stability and customizable coverage. Just be sure to research which subsidiary and plan fits your needs and compare rates to make an informed decision. Subscribe for more insurance reviews, tips on choosing coverage, and ways to protect yourself without overpaying.